Hey, what's up guys? Today I just want to do a quick unboxing of some things that I recently picked up in the mail. So let's get right into it. So move these to a side. Open this. So the first thing that I have is Crye 6x9 plate pockets, the side plate pockets in multicam for my AVS. Gonna be using these for my impression. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Took me a while to find those, so glad I finally got to pick them up. Next thing I have here, Eagle Industries V2 hinge embedder in multicam. Very nice. Gonna be using this to house my toy soldier PRC 148 when I get one, or try 148 depending on which one I want to get. So that's nice. Over here, and then I believe the last thing, pretty sure I know what it is. So I got some 3M Peltor arc rail adapters in black. They're new, so that's nice. I'm gonna be using these for my Contact 3s, so gonna be putting that on my FMA Maritime, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just the 6x9 side plate pockets, the hinge embedder, and the arc rail adapters. I picked up some more stuff. I'm still trying to look for some Crye G3s in my size, so hopefully I can pick those up, and then my impression will pretty much be done at that point. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for some more videos on some stuff that I got and some setup videos. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.